everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and when I was in high school, it was very important for me to have a calculator that I could rely on, and now that I am in college and I'm a business administration student, it has been even more important for me to have a good and reliable calculator. Not just any calculator, but a scientific calculator. And that is why Texas Instruments has been my companion during my learning journey. Specifically, the calculator that I am using is the TI-30XS. You can calculate the most basic things, but you can also calculate more complex things. As you can see, it has several functions such as natural logarithms, sine, cosine, tan, and normal logarithms. And there are just so many functions that you can complete with this TI-30XS. It is very easy to use. You just have to power it on and then proceed to make the calculation that you have to make. It is also very simple to just shut it off and then store it. You just press second and then press off. And not only is it amazing for calculating, but I think that a nice plus is the fact that it is a very pretty calculator, so it will definitely be a nice decoration to your desk. And that is my point of view.